What's up, everybody? My name is Zach Pasquarello, and I teach you how to start your own bookkeeping business in less than 30 days with no experience. In this video, I'm going to talk all about how I use LinkedIn to find prospective clients for my bookkeeping business. I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to my channel for more so you don't miss any videos. And finally, if you need help, if you need mentorship or coaching, for anything related to bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or your business, there is actually a link in the description of this video. Go ahead and schedule a one-on-one meeting with me. I'd be happy to work with you. Okay, so let's not waste any time. Not sure how long this video is going to take, but I'm going to try to keep it short and simple. So this is my LinkedIn page, and the first thing I want to talk about is my contact info. So the whole point, in my opinion, of having an online presence is so that people know who you are and so that people can contact you. So I have my phone number and my email address right on my LinkedIn profile. And then I have some sort of professional looking image at the top here. I branded myself as a bookkeeping expert. So I just have very simply the bookkeeping expert established 2020. And I used canva.com to create this. Super simple. I just picked a stock image and I added these words to it. Super simple, straight to the point. And then also I have my link tree because I'm pretty sure you can only have one link in your bio on your LinkedIn page. So I use Linktree. And if you see here, if you click on that link for my Linktree, it takes you to all of my other websites. So this is super helpful. If you're only able to provide one link, get a Linktree. It's completely free and people can go to your Linktree and then they can find your YouTube, your website, your Instagram, everything else. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about, my actual LinkedIn page. I have a short about me section. Honestly, I don't even know what that says, but I do have my work experience here. So I would try to make your profile as complete as possible. That way you can build credibility, establish trust with your audience, and that way people get to know who you are. So I have here my Army experience, my experience at Chewy, my trucking company, and finally my bookkeeping business. I have here that I'm an accountant. You could say that you're a business owner. You could say you're an accountant. You could say you're a bookkeeper. It doesn't matter, but just create your business on your LinkedIn page and say that you work at your business. Obviously, you want to be connected to your business. So if I go to my business page here, I honestly don't really do a whole lot with my LinkedIn business page. I do all my posts through my personal page. But sometimes, on occasion, I will post like once a month just to keep my business page current. The last thing that I will recommend that you do is on your business page, you can grow your followers by inviting your personal connections to like your page. And every month, you get 250 invitations. So every single month, I invite 250 new people to like my page. I think I have right here, you can see almost 900 followers on my business page. Not a big deal. Don't really think it matters, but that's just kind of a brief overview of my Harrisburg Bookkeeping business page. Now we're going to go to my personal page. So I create content on my Facebook, my Instagram, my YouTube, and my LinkedIn. I make a video every single day. I did not start making videos. I started with just simple posts. So if you're just getting started, you got to create social media marketing content. You got to do it every day. You got to do it for 6 months. That's what I tell everybody. And I create videos. So we can look at all of my activity here. So here, I'm not going to go through like the actual stuff, but here's a video I made. I made 2 videos today. This is my video yesterday. And then I also do posts. Let's see here. Yeah, so if I ever post on my Facebook or my Instagram, I also post on my LinkedIn. So I just post randomly. I mean, sometimes I'm promoting my business. Other times I'm just talking about random things in life. Other times I'm talking about, this was a post about me hiring a full-time employee. I'm not going to bore you with all the details, but the moral of the story is you have to post consistently and regularly for 6 months on all of your social media platforms so that people get to know who you are. Okay, the last thing I'm going to talk about, I already said this video is going to be short and sweet. So I told you briefly you got to create social media marketing content, but that's only step 1 of 3 steps for leveraging social media to get more clients for your bookkeeping business. So first step, you got to create the marketing content. I'm definitely not perfect at it. I'm not even good at it, but I just am consistent. I've been doing it for 3 years, so I built somewhat of an audience. I get a lot of clients from my social media pages. I'm by no means an expert at it, and I've never paid for any advertising. I don't think you need to pay for any advertising unless you really want to. You can do it all organically with a little bit of hard work and a whole lot of consistency. The one thing that I really want to talk about is how you can search for people. So what I would recommend doing is type in the word owner. Now you want to go to people, and then you want to look at all filters. Now this is what separates LinkedIn from Facebook. So LinkedIn makes it super simple for you to search for people, which Facebook does not. And I've made a ton of other videos telling you how you can search for people on Facebook. But first of all, I would filter people by a second connection. Second connection means that you have mutual connections. So first means that you're connected to them. Second connection means you have mutual connections with them. And then I would scroll all the way down here to title and type in owner. That means that in their job title, they have that they're an owner, which means they are a business owner. And then I believe you can sort here by location. So I would do wherever you are. So for me, I'm in the greater Harrisburg area. If you're in Atlanta, if you're in Philadelphia, if you're in Baltimore, you get the idea. So I am in the greater Harrisburg area, and then I can show results. And here, LinkedIn will show me more than 3,000 people who have owner in the title of their name and who are second connections of mine, which means that we have mutual connections, so we might know each other. And finally, these are people who are local to me. So here's what I do. So I'll go through this list. I don't even know who this person is, but I will connect with them and I will add a note and I will say, hey, I'm an accountant. Let me know if you ever need help with your bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or taxes. Thanks. So I use the word accountant. You can use the word bookkeeper, but I keep it short and simple. So I am requesting to connect with them and I am also sending them a message. So I copied and pasted that message so I can connect with this person, add a note, copy and paste, send. And you can repeat that 50 times every single day for 30 days, and I guarantee you will grow your audience with prospective clients. So here's the 3-step process. First of all, with social media. First of all, you got to create social media marketing content. Second of all, you have to connect with your prospective clients. So here we are, we're finding our prospective clients and we're literally requesting to connect with them. And then finally, you have to send them a message. You have to cold call them. You have to DM them. And I do it a little bit differently on LinkedIn than I do on Facebook. So on Facebook, I friend request people and then I message them 30 days later. But LinkedIn gives you the option to add a message while you're connecting with them. So you might as well just send them a connection request. The only thing that I would caution you against is read these people's bios, find out what type of business they are the owner of. If they are the owner of a CPA firm or another bookkeeping firm, don't let them know that you're a bookkeeper and you're offering to help with their QuickBooks because they probably don't need your help. That's the only thing I would caution against. Just real quick, look at their name, look at their bio, look at the business that they own. And if you want to connect with them, click the connect button, click add a note, copy and paste your sales pitch, and click. That's how simple it can be. I hope this video helps you with your LinkedIn, social media, marketing, and networking. I hope you get 40 clients in the next 12 months so that you can grow your bookkeeping business. And if you need any help, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you grow your bookkeeping business.